There was a whole lot of shaking going on in our building today.
And CBS 2's Vince Girasoli got quite a show when he met up with the cast of Stomp.
Something sounds a bit different to the CBS motor pool. No one broke in.
Your garage is great. There's a lot to discover here.
We just unleashed the cast of Stomp in our garage and told them to beat it with anything they could find.
You guys are backing up some CBS trucks here, and as I'm listening to the beeping sound, it's just a metronome, and I'm making things up in my head.
Stomp was born out of street music in the UK. 25 years later, its percussive performers have dazzled over 24 million people. Carlos Thomas, who's been with the show for 18 years, says he knows why.
It's that universal language of rhythm. Everybody has a heartbeat. Everybody has a pulse.
I was in the marching band at Proviso West. I was in the concert bands there. And I actually served as the high school's drum major for 2 years.
Now, Chicago's Artis Olds is meeting some heavy hitters and traveling the globe thanks to parents who didn't mind him sounding off.
And they got me a drum set, and they let me bang on that at all times of night. When I look back at it, I know that was a lot. They had to get up and go to work the next morning, but they allowed me to grow as an artist.
Oh, you should have seen the crowd they attracted downstairs in the motor pool. Everybody was watching and listening to them today. It was really great. Stomp opens tonight at the Broadway Playhouse at Water Tower Place, and it's in town through the end of December. Oh, and Rob and Erica, look what I found in the basement. There, yeah. And
You're on beat, man.
You have rhythm. Hey, you know, I was wondering what all the dents were in all the vehicles downstairs. I thought it was hail, but now I know.
Now you know. You can leave a tip on my desk.
Yes,
okay?
indeed.
Okay.
Thanks, Vince. Appreciate it.